What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to show you how to buy stocks on Wealthsimple. So let's start. To start buying stocks and ETFs, follow these simple steps. First, log into wealthsimple.com and navigate to your stocks, ETFs, and crypto profile. Type the number or symbol of the desired security into the search bar near the magnifying glass icon. Select the specific security you want to purchase. Choose the account where you wish to fund the transaction. Pick one of the four order types: market buy, fractional buy, limit buy, or stop limit buy. Enter the number of shares you would like to acquire. Review your order details before clicking place order. When placing an order, there are several options to choose from based on your investment strategy. First, market buy. Purchase a stock instantly at the current best available price. Second, fractional buy. Acquire a portion of a single share, typically executed at the end of the trading day or next available trading day. Limit buy. Set a maximum price you're willing to pay for a stock. And lastly, stop limit buy. Specify both a stop price and a limit price. Once the stock reaches the stop price, it converts to a limit order. Keep in mind that the markets operate during regular business hours, but you can still place order outside those times. Orders placed outside market hours will enter a queue and execute upon market opening. So there you have it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.